नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। एंड इन दिस वीडियो आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.6 which is based on the application of quadratic equation. So let's start from the question number 1. Product of the Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Okay, so we have to find her present age. So we'll solve this. Okay, solution. Let the present age of Pragati. Okay, present age of Pragati. Okay, the name of girl be x years. Okay, let the present age of Pragati be x years. Okay, therefore age, okay, age 2 years ago. Okay, therefore age 2 years ago. Okay, ago is equal to x minus 2. Okay, years. And therefore age 3 years hence. Okay, age 3 years hence, okay, is equal to x plus 3 years. Okay, hence means after 3 years. Okay, so what is the given condition? Therefore, okay, so by using the given condition, okay, by using the given condition, okay, so we get, okay, by using the given condition or by given condition we get what is given? The product of these two things. Okay, 2 years ago the age and the age after 3 years is equal to 84. Okay, so you can see this product of the Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Just find the present age. Okay, therefore x, this whole bracket x plus 3, you know that factorization. Okay, and then x plus 3, okay, 84. Factorization means this is a this is one of the type of polynomials. Okay, how to separate this? Okay, so x into x square you'll get, this is 3x, then minus 2x and minus 6, and this minus 84 I will take to this LHS. So I'll get x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. So I have to factorize this x means 1 in such a way that the product should be 90 and the addition should be 1. So it is x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. You can try to do this. X plus 10 minus 9x plus 10. Okay, you know now this how this come. Okay, therefore x plus 10 is separate, so take it. X plus 10, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. Okay, but we know that but age cannot be negative, okay, or will not be negative. Okay, you can use age will not be negative, age cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 9 years. Okay, therefore the present age of Pragati, okay, of Pragati is 9 years. Okay, you have to use like this. So this is the first problem. Let's solve it. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. These are the application based questions and very easy questions. Once you understood the criteria, how to form the equation, how to write the given word statement into the form of equation, you can easily solve such type of problem. So this is the problem number 1. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 2. Okay, come to the second problem. Sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Okay, so we have to find the numbers. So let, okay, solution I'm writing here. Let the natural numbers, okay, natural numbers, okay, numbers be x and x plus 2. Okay, so these are the two consecutive natural numbers. So what is given? The sum of squares of the two natural numbers, so consecutive. Therefore x and bracket square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. Okay, what is reason? By using given condition, you can write by using given conditions. Okay, condition. Okay, so this is reason. So now solve this. Therefore x square plus x square plus 4x plus 4, and I'm taking this minus 244 is equal to 0. So x square will get 2x square, 4x, you see this all things, okay, 4x and this minus 244 and this minus 240 is equal to 0. So divide by 2, okay, you'll get x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Divide by 2, okay, divided by 2, okay. So once you get this, you have to factorize this 2 in a such a way that the product should be 120 and the addition should be plus 2x plus 2. So x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. These are the factors. X plus 12, you can see this minus 10x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 12 and x minus 10 is equal to 0, okay. So now you have to just write separate factors. X plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 10, but natural number will not be negative, okay, but natural number will not be negative, okay, negative. Therefore I'll write x is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore the natural numbers are okay, numbers are 10 and 12, okay, or the consecutive natural numbers are 10 and 12. You can write in such a way, okay, in this way. So this is the solution for the second problem. It is wise, just concentrate on the given statements, make the equations, just solve it. It is a quadratic equation, you will easily solve it and you will get your solution. This is problem number 2, we have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 3. Okay, so we'll solve the third problem. It is the activity based problem, the orange garden, okay. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and column, okay. We have to find number of trees in each column is x, it is given, and therefore number of trees in each row is x plus 5, because the number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. So total number of trees, you know that x into x plus 5, you have to multiply a row into column, and we have to make the quadratic equation of this. So total number of trees is 150. Therefore okay, I can write x plus 5, okay, is equal to 150 by given condition, okay, by given condition, okay. So once you write, you'll get x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Okay, now you have to factorize this 5 in such a way that the product should be minus 150 and the addition should be 5, okay, 5 itself. Therefore x square, okay, plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. You should know how to do factorization. X plus 15 minus 10, x plus 15 is equal to 0, okay. Therefore I will write x plus 15 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10, but number of trees will not be negative, okay. So you can write, therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 50, okay. So the number of trees in each column is 10 and in each row is 15, okay. 10 into 15, you'll get 150, okay. So in this way you have to solve this. Just try to understand the given criteria, given statements, given word equations, and form the equations. Just do the calculation, you'll get your solution. This is problem number 3. We have solved it, and now we're going to solve problem number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the next problem. In the next problem, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of reciprocals of their ages is 1 by 6. Find their present ages. Okay, So let, okay, who is elder? The Vivek is elder. So consider, let the present age of Kishore, okay, present age of Kishore, okay, be x years, be x years. Therefore age of Vivek, okay, Vivek is older, is x plus 5 years, okay, is older by 5 years, okay. So just the reciprocals of the age is sum of reciprocals. Therefore 1 upon x, 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6 by using given condition, or by given condition. You can write by given condition, okay. So this is by given condition. Now solve it, okay. X plus 5, okay, x plus 5 plus, now there x, and this x plus 5, 1 by 6. So this x, 2x plus 5, okay, into 6, and this is x squared plus 5x, okay. Now this and this, solve this. 12x plus 30 is equal to x squared plus 5x, okay. So once you take this whole point, that side, x squared plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x squared 5x minus 12x minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0, okay. So now you have to factorize this equation in such a way that, first form the equation in such a way that the product should be minus 30 and the addition should be minus 7, okay. So you have to factorize. So 30, you have to factorize this, x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0, okay. So take x minus 10, take 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 3, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to 10, okay. But the age will not be negative, okay. The age will not be negative. Therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15, okay. Therefore the present age of Kishore, the present age of Kishore is 10 years, and Vivek is 15 years, okay, because he is elder by 5 years, okay. So in this way you have to solve this problem. But one thing I always saying that you have to understand the given statement first, okay, and then you have to convert that statement into the equation form. Then you solve this equation, you will get your solution. So this is the final solution for the problem number 4, okay. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 5. Okay, we'll discuss about the fifth problem. In the problem, Sue age scored 10 marks more in second test than first. 5 times the score of second test is the same as square of the score of first test. Find his score in the first test, okay. So you have to find his score in first test. Let the score in first test, okay, first test be x. Therefore score in second test, let the score marks in first test, okay, marks score, okay, in first test be x. Therefore marks score in second test, marks score in second test, it is greater, it is more by 10, okay, 10 marks more in second test, okay. So x plus 10, okay. So first is x and second is x plus 10. 5 times the score of second test, 5 times this, okay, 5 times. So score of second test, this 5 times is the same as square of the score of first test. So x square is equal to 5 into x plus 10, okay, by given condition, okay. You read this very carefully and you will understand. Okay, so now solve this. X square, this is 5x plus 50, therefore x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now you have to factorize this minus 5 in such a way that product should be minus 50 and the addition should be minus 5. X square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so you'll get this x minus 10 plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5, but marks score in test will not be negative, will not be negative. Okay, hence x is equal to 10. Okay, maybe it is negative in some cases, but in this case it is not negative. Okay, because you know there is negative marking also possibly for this some aptitude test, some competitive exams like the CAT, JEE, like this. Okay, but in this case it is not. So the first test, okay, is the score. Therefore marks score in first test is 10. Okay, so these are the marks here is score in the first test. And second test you will write 5 times. Okay, 5 into 10 plus 10, it is 20. So 5 into 20, it is 5 into 20. Okay, it is, so it's square 25. Okay, into 5, 20 into 5, it is 100. Okay, 2500. Okay, so like this. So this is the problem number 5. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 6. Okay, so we'll solve the next problem, 6th number problem. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of earthen pots. Earthen pots मतलब मटके की जो भी चीज़ें रहती हैं उनको earthen मतलब मिट्टी से जो बनाते हैं. ओके, जो भी बनाते हैं चीज़ें उनको earthen pots बोलते हैं. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production of cost of each pot is ₹40, more than 10 times the number of pots. Okay, he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is 600, find the production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. Okay, you have to do this. So now let the number of pots, okay, number of pots makes per day, okay, be x. Okay, number of pots makes per day be x. Okay, therefore the cost, okay, see the cost of each pot, is equal to, what is this, 40 rupees more than the 10 times the number of pots. So 10 times the number of pots plus 40. Okay, this is second condition. Okay, so now you know that the total cost of production cost of all pots per day is 600. Therefore, okay, you can write that x into 10x plus 40, 10x plus 40. So this is actually number of pots make per day, and its cost is 600. Okay, by given condition, you can write by given condition. Okay, so after writing this, just solve this. 10x square, okay, 40x minus 600 is equal to 0, divided by 10. So x square plus 4x, okay, minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay, so now how this comes exactly? Okay, you need to think on this. Okay, so just see that divided by 10, it is 4, and its 0 will get cancelled. So this is the equation, and we have to now factorize this 4 in such a way that the product should be minus 60 and the addition should be this number itself. Okay, so now think, okay, which how can you do this? Okay, so let's think about this. So 6, okay, 10 into 6, okay, it is correct. So 10x square, okay, x square, so x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 minus 6x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, okay, I need to think, okay, this is correct. So therefore x plus 10 and x minus 6 is equal to 0, x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 6. Okay, so the number of ports max per day. Okay, therefore number of ports max per day will not be negative. Okay, so x is equal to 6. So number of ports made per day, number of ports max per day is 6, and cost, okay, the cost of each port, okay, is equal to 10x plus 40 is equal to 10 into 6 plus 40 is equal to 60 plus 40 is equal to rupees 100. Okay, so in this way you have to calculate. So this is the final solution. Just make the equation, but this is the star mark problem. It means it's a HOTS, high order thinking skills problem. Just you have to concentrate on the given statements of the problem. Just try to think how to make the equation. Just make the equation, do the calculation, you'll get a solution. So in this way how to calculate it, you'll get a solution. So the number of ports made per day is 6, and the cost of each port is rupees 100. So 6 into 100 is 600 is cost of ports for the 1 day production. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. This is problem number 6, we have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 7.